How to change comment settings on Instagram. Let's begin with the video. To begin, open the Instagram app on your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right to head over to your profile. Once you are there, simply click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. From the menu, scroll down until you reach the section called How Others Can Interact with You and select Comments. Now if there is a particular person you would like to prevent from commenting, tap on Block Comments From. Likewise, just type in their username and hit block, and that's it. They won't be able to comment on your post anymore. Next, look at Who Can Comment section and click on Post and Reels. Here you will see several choices. At this point, simply choose the one you prefer. Once you are done making your selection, you don't need to worry about hitting a save button. Just go back and all your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to change comment settings on Instagram.